We all recognize that these are dire times, times of deep trouble for a lot of people. There are problems with the economy, joblessness, failing mortgage systems, banking systems, bailouts, international crisis in the economies. We've got environmental problems, not only the oil spill, but the reduction of forest lands and the loss of fish and so on. We've got religious wars that now move globally, and genocides in Africa. Heavy times. Why, you might ask, at times like these, would we possibly want to have a conference then on things like play and innovation and improvisation? I mean, what? Isn't this kind of frivolous? Isn't this sort of escapist? Let me suggest on the contrary, because what's involved here is this, that once we are into a problem situation, once we begin to think about the economy in certain ways, that this is the problem and here are the kinds of solutions we need, we are essentially in a box. We are thinking within the box. So if you accept the conventional ways of thinking about the problems we have and the tools we have to go beyond, to solve those problems, we are essentially sustaining the same problem in many respects. Often those tools can't work. And the cry out here is basically for innovation. We've got to do something different. We've got to step outside the box. Now at this point, many people believe that the metaphor we may need here is first of all one of play, one in which we suspend the realities, play with them, play at the edges of the real, play at the edges of the rational, be able to imagine this and that and the other thing and to do it together. And then out of that to try to generate innovations, put the pieces together in new ways. How would it work then? Innovations, and be prepared for continuous improvisation. That is, there's no the solution, because every time you fall back into the solution, we're back into another box. So be prepared for continuous innovation. It's these kinds of ideas that we want to play with, and I think they're so needed for what's going on today, so needed for our future. It's basically a conference about hope. It's about a conference about changing the future. I hope you'll join us there.